Building with Papa. All right, this gate, she has to lift it. It's dragging on the grass. It's hard for her to open and close. And so I'm going to start to take it apart and see if I can repair this gate for her. All right, Building with Papa. Let's move forward and see if I can take some slats off and jack this gate up. Now we're also going to repair this gate. See how bad it's sagging? Whoever built it did not build it properly. So I'm going to take some of these slats off and try to repair this gate. As I started to take some of the slats off, the whole end just fell off. Very poorly built. Okay. Can't believe how this gate was put together. I put 3 large L brackets on here, and that's because Home Depot didn't have 4, so I had to put 1 small one. But did not know this gate was this bad before I started, or I probably would have just rebuilt the whole thing. Had I known the gate was this bad, I probably would have just built a new one. But I put in these brackets and I believe it's going to be okay. Trying to save this person some money. As you can see, I jacked it up before I put any of the braces on. This way it all holds up and it should be fine. Okay, now the gate is rebuilt. Can actually close it and lock it. Okay, she's gonna be happy now. She's gonna be able to get in and out of her gate without having to lift it and drag it and fight to get the trash cans out. All right, Building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. All right, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one.